Hey everyone, my name is Sam and welcome back to Samcraft. Today I want to do a tool review of a cheap $20-something draw knife. Any good? Let's check out. So I picked up this draw knife off of Amazon about 2 weeks ago. It was right at $23 and I got it, total transparency, as a giveaway. Now I still bought it and then the company reimbursed me, so I bought it still. But it was something that honestly I've been looking at and had in my wish list for a while. It just worked out that the company BeaverCraft was doing a giveaway and it just lined up perfectly and I actually won. So this draw knife was totally meant to be. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into this thing, unbox it, and take a look at it. Alright guys, first impressions, simple box. Cardboard, it's got the brand over here. It is a wood carving tools, and on the back tells you about point your camera to the QR code, his website, learn some more. Basic packaging, but I'm not one to be wooed by packaging. I don't care what it comes in, as long as it's what I want and works. Second cool thing I like is that there are two things in this box: the tool and band-aids. This is more of those awesome band-aids from BeaverCraft. They're great. Alright, first look at the tool here. It smells good. It smells like wood finish to me, and that's potpourri. It's not overbearing. I was doing the gouge review a couple months back and I said it was overbearing, or acted like that was overbearing with the finish. It wasn't. It's just me being dramatic. Alright, the handle looks like it is made from, I want to say ash. It could be oak, one or the other. It's a hardwood. It's fixed on there good. The sheath is very nice. It's got the BeaverCraft logo stamped there on it, or carved or burned or embossed. It's not ink. It's actually smushed into the leather. It's got two little snaps. This is real leather. That is nice. It's not some fake stuff. Real leather sheath. And then we have the tool right there in the middle. So a quick look. This is good looking steel. I don't see any stamps on it as far as what kind of steel it is, but honestly I'm not a steel snob, so it's not like I'm looking for special numbers or anything. It has the BeaverCraft logo right there on the blade. That's probably laser etched. Looks good to me. There's a little bit of oil on it, but honestly that is good because it keeps this thing from rusting and in storage, and really should have it anyway. Let's see how it feels. Feels pretty sharp. Otherwise, yeah, okay. Looks good. Let's see how it works. I got a couple things here in front of me. I've got a spoon blank that I use to dig out the inside, the cup, I guess you would call it. I don't know. And I worked on it a little bit, but I was hoping to use a draw knife to help shape the handle some more. So I'm going to be doing that. And then I've got a couple other pieces of wood here in the shop that we'll try and see how it works. So let's go ahead and chuck this up in my vise and start drawing the draw knife. Knife in the draw. Draw knife again. Let's see if my vise will hold that. It's not the greatest thing. Piece of junk. I don't have a good vise for this at all, so hopefully this will work and you guys will be able to see what's going on and everything. That is doing awesome. Very, very good. I really need to be careful with this. I don't want to mess the spoon up just because I'm having fun scraping it. Let me get a scrap piece of wood. Alright, here is a piece of hard maple. So we'll see how the draw knife does on this thing. Looking at the grain, I think I should pull this towards me. We'll see if I'm wrong. Let's try pushing it. Alright, I think pulling it was more correct. It's definitely, the tool is not any problem. Any problem that I'm running into is my bench vise not holding, or honestly, I'm pulling the whole workbench. So, alright, let's try pushing it. Nope, I'm just ruining it. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and quit there while I've destroyed the piece of wood. I have a lot to learn about how to use a draw knife. And honestly, I'm sure this thing probably still needs final honed and probably hit with a strop to make it razor sharp. But right out of the box, that thing is awesome. This is exactly what I was hoping for in a draw knife. I don't need anything fancy. I don't need anything. I'm trying to think of any kind of cool tool name brands or special features, but whatever. I'm a simple dude. This is a simple draw knife, and I like it. It's good, strong. I think it'll work great. What? What was that? It's a good, strong tool. I like it a lot, and I think it's going to fit good on my tool wall there when I get around to doing that project. I got something else I want to test with this. Video's not over yet. Alright, this chunk of hard maple, probably not the best thing to use. Kiln dried hard maple. So what I want to try next is this thing. It's a slab of beech that was cut down from our property here. The tree was cut probably 4 years ago now. It was sliced up. I actually made some bowls out of the other parts of the log here that are missing. And I've had this part sitting in my shop for a couple of years. I don't want to do anything drastic to it, but I'm curious if this draw knife can be used to actually split this piece to give me a smaller blank out of, and see how it works on pulling some of the outside off. I'm going to go ahead and hit the outside first, and then I'll see about splitting this chunk of wood with the draw knife. Alright, it's in the vise, as good as it's going to get. I'm sure I'll be pulling my workbench around, but let's see how it does with some of this outside parts. Nice. Alright, so I'm noticing a little flex in the blade, which I think is honestly to be expected with a flat blade. I'm having to find myself to be conscious not to push down and curve the blade when I'm using this tool. I'm going to try to put my thumbs here to kind of bring my fulcrum or whatever, the thumbs, closer to the middle and not do this so much, but do more this. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to try pushing it, see if that's any better. Come on now. This vise is fighting me. Guys, this is probably useless, isn't it? Probably nothing but showing you guys how not to use the tool and showing you guys how badly my workbench vise is. Okay, that was enough fun. Let's try splitting this thing now. Let's totally mess it up. Do not try this. I am honestly having second guesses about doing this to this tool. I really shouldn't do this. I don't want to do this, but I said I would do it. Here we go. Let's see if it'll split. Well, that's great and all. It's wedged in there, but now what do I do? I'm an idiot. Oh, I don't want to hit the handles. It's going to break the handles. Frig. If I can do that. Okay. Good. I got it out. I didn't bend it. Still looks good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little draw knife. I'm sorry you got sent to a complete amateur. Some idiot guy that's willing to do all sorts of crazy stuff on camera. Drop test. Alright guys, in all actuality, I'm really pleased with this tool. I have completely abused it. You shouldn't do what I just did. I don't even know why I did what I just did. Other than the fact, just to show you guys, you could do what I just did, but then don't do what I just did. Wow. The actual cutting width of the blade looks like to be 4 1/4 inches wide, or, nope, this isn't metric, so sorry. The handles itself, about 3 3/4, 3 3/4, and the overall tool length is 12 3/4 inches wide. The blade thickness, 3/4 inch, and looks like maybe an 1/8 inch thick steel. So, suffice to say, 4 inch cutting width, 3 inch handles, 12 inch overall length. Not bad. I'm sure this tool would work so much better with green wood, not this kiln dried or 4-year-old air dried lumber that I have in my shop. I do plan on using this with green wood as well. I've got it on my very soon to build list to make a shaving horse, and this little buddy will be going with me. I like the leather sheath. It looks really nice. Even if I don't use this tool a whole lot, although I really intend to, that is a nice looking tool. Wood and leather, Even smells like leather because it is leather. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I was a little entertaining, but more so was informative in case you are looking for a draw knife. Got 23 bucks to blow on Amazon, or just wanted to learn more about a little BeaverCraft tool. There are links below to BeaverCraft's website, as well as this tool on Amazon, and then video links below to my other video reviews of similar products. If you enjoyed this video and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that button. I'd love to have you hang out here in my shop and just subscribe, because that's about all I can do as far as an elevator pitch. Otherwise, I appreciate everyone watching. See you guys next time in the workshop. Yeah, first take.